Today we are out at a new listing that we have in the Scenic Oaks neighborhood, which is in the Leon Springs, Bernie-ish area. It's a guard-gated community, and our listing is on Cypress Oaks. It's on over an acre of land, a one-story ranch property. You can see that there is a separate dining room, a really large, good-sized separate dining room. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. 2 of the bedrooms and a full bath are this way, which is nice that it's split from the master. And then if you come in this way, you'll see there's a really large family room with a brick floor-to-ceiling fireplace with really high vaulted ceilings. Half bath is over here off of, this could either be a breakfast room or even kind of a study space, play area. And then you can see kitchen as well in here. And then we will go on over to the master bedroom. So the master, again, is really split from the other bedrooms. It also continues the vaulted ceilings that we have in the family room. There is outside access from the master as well. It does have an ensuite bathroom with a separate shower and tub, and it also has double vanities as well. And a lot of people that move to this area move for the acclaimed schools as well as for the land. When we arrived here this morning, there were a couple of deer sitting. Actually, they're still over here, over to the side. But you can see we have a nice deck area. It's very, very private and secluded treed lot. So if you would like more information, please reach out to us. We would be happy to schedule a showing. Thank you.